So I have a couple math little videos, and the first one is on a little bit about trigonometry. Even if you don't know much about trigonometry or don't remember it, you just have to remember the term Sohcahtoa, S-O-H-C-A-H-T-O-A. Some people consider it a town or whatever, but it has a meaning, and I'll explain that to you in a minute. So I have a triangle here, triangle ABC. And that triangle has sides 5, 12, and 13. It's a right triangle. And a couple things you need to know about this right triangle in relationship to angle A. The first thing is that side CB, which has a measure of 5, is across from angle A. And that is the opposite side from angle A. The adjacent side is the side that's next to angle A, but is not the hypotenuse. And that has a measure of 12. And then the hypotenuse is across from the right angle. The right angle is right here. Across from the right angle is the side that measures 13, which is side AC. So when we consider this, the first part of Sohcahtoa is SOH, and the S stands for sine, and the sine is equal to the opposite, that's the O in Sohcahtoa, SOH, divided by the hypotenuse. So the sine of A is equal to the side opposite of A, which is 5, divided by the hypotenuse, which in this case is 13. Now we're going to discuss the CAH of Sohcahtoa. And CAH, C stands for cosine, and it's equal to the adjacent side divided by the hypotenuse. And so we have angle A again, and the adjacent side, the one next to it, not the one across or the opposite side, the one next to angle A or connected to angle A is the side that has a measure 12, and then the hypotenuse again is across from the right angle, which is side 13. So the cosine of A would be 12 divided by 13. The last part of Sohcahtoa here is the TOA section, and T stands for tangent, and the tangent is equal to the opposite side divided by the adjacent side. So I'm still dealing with angle A in this case, and angle A, the opposite of angle A is 5, and then the adjacent is 12, and so the tangent, or the tangent is 5 over 12. I made a mistake here. It is not 13, it's 5 over 12. 5 over 12. Now let's consider angle C. Here's angle C up here. And angle C, the sine of C is the opposite over the hypotenuse. So it's the opposite, which is 12, divided by the hypotenuse, which is 13. The cosine is the adjacent over the hypotenuse. The adjacent side to angle C has a length 5, it's side CB, divided by the hypotenuse, which again is 13. And then the tangent is the opposite over the adjacent, so it's the opposite, which is 12, over the adjacent, which is 5. So the tangent is 12 divided by 5. Hope this helps you as you go through Sohcahtoa. It's the key to doing well on the trigonometry part of the test.